In this guide, you're going to learn step by step how to make a brochure using Canva. Whether it's for an event, a product, a service, or simply a creative project, choosing the right brochure template can instantly elevate the quality of your design. Canva provides a simple interface filled with professionally designed templates that anyone can customize, even without prior design experience. Start by opening Canva and heading to the main menu. If you don't already have an account, creating one is quick and straightforward, and it unlocks access to thousands of templates and creative tools. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The platform is designed to be intuitive, so navigating through it becomes second nature very quickly. Next, focus on the large search bar in the center of the screen. This is where you can find every type of design Canva offers. Click on the search bar and type the word brochure. Press enter and you'll see a wide selection of brochure templates appear. Canva offers single-page brochures, trifold brochures, bifold brochures, and more. Each template comes with its own layout and visual style. Take your time browsing through the options. Think about the purpose of your brochure and the type of information you need to include. A trifold design is great when you want to divide your message into clear sections, making it easier for your audience to follow. A single-page brochure works better for bold visuals or simple, direct content. The template you choose will guide the structure of your project, so picking the one that fits your vision is an important step. After selecting the template that suits your needs, click on it to open the customization editor. Canva allows you to adjust every element of the design. You can change colors to match your brand, switch fonts to set the tone of your message, replace images with your own uploads, and alter text to reflect your unique content. You can move elements, add shapes, include icons, and tailor the layout until it perfectly represents your idea. As you work, feel free to experiment. Canva makes it easy to undo or redo changes, so you can try different looks without pressure. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll become with the creative tools available. Once your brochure is fully designed, you can download it directly to your device. Canva offers several download formats, including high-quality print-ready files. If you prefer, you can also use Canva's professional printing service, which delivers your brochures right to your door. This is especially useful if you need a polished, commercial-grade result. By following these steps, you now know how to find, select, and fully customize a brochure template in Canva. The process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and flexible enough for advanced creators as well. Enjoy designing and let your imagination guide the way as you bring your ideas to life.